Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Mk3 is boosted. Just want to say thank you guys for liking and subscribing to the page. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe. And definitely got a lot of content coming. Just been really slow. The weather is raining and my garage is, well, my parents took over, so all this stuff is in it, so I can't really do much. But today we're gonna be installing our clutch pedal and our clutch cylinder as well. So our master cylinder on here. And I might need you guys' help. I'm missing some parts for it, so I'll show you guys here in a minute, but this is what we're doing. So if you guys have your Supra, if you're doing like, if it's not manual, even if you're doing like an auto to a manual swap, there should be like a little rubber cover right here. So that way you'll be able to do the 5-speed swap. You just gotta pop that off if you're ever doing one. And is our new part, our master. So it's brand new, and this is what's gonna go over here. I'll show you guys right now. And pop this bad boy in here. It'd be cool if I had somebody holding this camera for me, but come on. It's gonna go in there. Boom. So it's like this. You're gonna need like four arms, like an extra 2 more hands to help you is what I'm trying to say. But it's doable by yourself. I've done it multiple times, so you can do this yourself. Because when you let it go, it's just gonna hang, and you catch it when you put in your clutch pedal under here. So I don't have my dash on here right now, as you can tell, so it's much easier to get this done. But if you don't have your, if you do have your dash on, boy, yeah, you got to do that a little awkward on your back, rotated. And also, I did not bolt the seats on. That way when I get the dash on here, it'll be much easier. So once I get my clutch pedal in, I actually don't have my gas pedal and brake pedal needs to go on. That way, when all of that's done, it's gonna be much easier for me to install the dash. If the dash was on, limited space, but right now I got a lot of space under there to work with. Especially I'm gonna remove this so I can just lay flat and take care of what I need to take care of. So that's the plan. Just gonna install our clutch pedal, get that on, and I'm gonna get rid of this old. The steering wheel is gonna go. It's all seen its days. It's all done for. Hopefully you guys can see. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna have to just remove this real quick. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna get under here. So you guys, I hope you can kind of see it. You really can't, but hold on, move this. There it is. Right there, if it focuses. So I just want to connect to those two and then bolt it down. And because once you get that on, it's pretty simple. You're done. That's, if you're replacing your master, that's what you do. Or if you're doing a 5-speed swap, that's the same process you do. So yeah, let's get this shit out of the way. Alright guys, so I have a clutch pedal here. Let me see, make sure I'm not zoomed in. Okay. I have a clutch pedal right here. If it focuses, it's kind of cold out. But yeah, so there's a bolt that's gonna go up here, and then the two I was talking about, one there and one on that side. Inside there it is. So that one and this one. So that's kind of like the hardest one to get to. And so no, actually it's this one that's the hardest to get to because it's more cramped on this side. See where all the wires are at? So that bolt on your far left is gonna be like really the hardest one to get to. But the inside one should be the easiest one to reach. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna slide this on, and then I want to bolt the top part on first, so it's flush on the top, and then I can get the bolts on and tighten it down, and it should be good to go. So I'm gonna just set the camera up real quick. You guys, I don't think we'll be able to see get the best view here, but I'm gonna get this on here real quick and show you. All right, so this is where. Oh hey, I just hooked to something. Come on, let go of me. I'm gonna be working in this area right here with this stuff. So I can grab it and pull it towards me, kind of move it around so you can tell. So get this in here. Like I said, all these wires are in the way. I still got to figure out where I'm gonna install all of this. So, yeah, this sucks. Okay, cool. Got that in. This is if anything, kind of line up. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. This is it. This is. Okay. Let me. Like I said, an extra hand would help. Oh man, all this wires, dude, like cutting me up. Come on. Dude, I'm just trying to get this middle one in. That's what I'm saying. Imagine if the dash was here, dude. Look at this. Like, yeah, good luck. It's not gonna happen. Okay, I could. Anything I can bolt this on real quick. Ready to go. So put this bolt on here. Even that. Oh boy. No shot. No shot. Okay. That did not go in anywhere. Where is it at? Yo. This sucks. This really sucks. Alright. Okay. Let's use this real quick. Extension. Get the extension on here. Yeah, if you guys have done this before, are you serious? If you've done this before, you know the pain of how not fun this is. Really, it's really annoying. But okay, I can't tell if I'm. Oh my God. Oh. I was just gonna edit this and like show you guys when I'm done, but you may as well see the process, I guess, of how fun this is. Yo, what? Okay. No. Oh my God. This thing keeps falling off. This is not going well. Okay, there we go. Come on, just line up. Just trying to line this up. There we go. Come on. Come on, please work with me. Oh, it came off. Oh no, it didn't come off. Okay, I got it on. So that's on. All I gotta do now is work with I'm gonna go outside here, so let's come out. Oh my, zoomed out here. See this, I gotta line this. I'm gonna pull this back a little bit. And all I wanna do is line it up with. So I have that there, okay, good. Whole point is just to get those screws. Not screws. Just to line up so I can bolt it up. But I'll set you guys back up. I don't think you guys can even see anything here. But yeah, so I got that top part. See right there, that bolt? That way, I got that on. So I just need to line those two in here, and then I can tighten it up. Wow. So happy I don't have the dash on. You guys have no clue. So happy. Okay. Let's set this down like so, because I'm gonna be not having fun. Hopefully you can kind of see a little bit. All right, this is here. Come on. push this back this a little bit. No, I need this out. Come on. There we go. Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna have to like go all the way under here. Alright guys, so I got it on after a couple, like 30 minutes, close to an 30 minutes I want to say, 30 minutes, close to an hour. I ended up giving up, and I ran and got my sister to hold it because, yo, what? Dude, it would not line up. So I got that all bolted, everything's bolted down. I have a question for you guys, maybe you guys can help me out. It's this little pin, right? That goes in between here. Let me show you guys. Right here to hold this in place. So it goes in there, but I think I have the wrong one. If this camera focuses on it. But I have the wrong one here. I think, I'm not sure. If you guys can let me know where I can find the right part. So that way, because your clutch, it's going to slip off every time you push in. And it's just going to stay on the floor when you're driving. So I've done that before, and there's a little pin that goes at the end of this that clips it in place so it doesn't pop out. So if you guys know where I can buy this, or if you guys have the correct one for me here, let me know. I might need also another one for the brake pedal. It also has the middle part right here. See, it goes right in so, and it locks it in place. So if you guys know where I can get any of this for the brake and the clutch pedal, that'd be great. But as for now, I got my clutch pedal on. I'm happy. Look at that, solid, no movements. Yeah, so we are getting there. I'm gonna be ordering my the clutch line. I'm gonna use off Drift Motion. So that's I think the steel one, not steel, but braided one that goes all the way down, right? Because the stock one it's gonna be hooked up. There's a little bracket that hooks right into that opening right there, but I won't be using that, so it'll just be a direct flow. And that's like the best one to get if you guys are doing the same thing. But so yeah, I got that on. So happy about that, because like I said, with the dash in place, you guys know a dash stock all the way out here and stuff like that. I mean, you're already in an awkward position for one, and your back hurts. I mean, this is my legs all soaking wet. So that's done. I'm gonna go ahead tomorrow. I'm gonna be installing our not our clutch, but our gas tank. So stay tuned for that one tomorrow. So gas tank should go on tomorrow if the weather works with me a little bit. Right now it's dry. It was raining earlier, so now that it's a little dry, I was able to get this done. So I'm happy about this. We are manual, baby. Yes, sir. So yeah, that's done. Hopefully on the next video we'll have our gas tank in, and I'm not sure if you guys want to see me install the dash. You can leave a comment down if you want to see how the dash is installed. It's pretty simple, but if you guys do want to see that, let me know. I'm also, like I said, I'm taking this off. I'm gonna put the 89 on for now. It's in better condition than this one, so, and I'm not using the airbag. It's not plugged in right now, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's cold. I don't want to be out here too long. I don't want to get sick either, so that's another thing. So get stuff done. I mean, at least we got something done here. All that's left now is a whole lot of right here. This is the main part that's left, the transmission to bolt onto our 2JZ engine, and we should be good to go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit a like. Leave me a comment about that little bolt that locks in place, if you guys know where I can order that. And also, if you guys want to see me install the dash, let me know. If not, I'll catch you guys on the next video. We installed that gas tank. That's not going to be a fun one either. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Be safe, and keep boosting.